Okay, Angie and I are at Hearst Castle. Right back there on the mountain. And yeah, we're going to take a bus up there and take a tour. So we'll see you up there in a bit. Yeah. Bird lady.
They're actually scaring me.
Feed him another one. Oh, look what you did. Look what you did. Oh, okay. There you go.
He's back.
See if he'll eat out of your hand.
No way. No way.
Come on.
You try it.
Well, I don't know. That looks like a sharp beak.
Oh,
He caught that.
It in the air.
Oh my gosh.
Did you see that?
Try that again.
Okay.
Let's see if I can get that on camera. He did. Holy crap. Do it again. Oh, he likes that. Did he catch that?
Yeah.
Wow. Let's see if this one's good. I didn't realize they were so good at catching. Do one more. Okay, do one kind of up in the air. Oh, gal. Did he catch that?
Yeah.
I don't think they've missed. Wow. Wow.
Oh, don't get close. Go over there.
They're catching those in midair.
Okay, now I'm getting scared. I'm done.
Okay.
They're getting too close and it's scary.
You're a bird lady.
Oh, Neil, get it! Get it!
So we're getting all those animals that just are not scared of us at all. Look at this squirrel.
I
Alright.
think he'd eat it out of my hand, but I don't dare.
Yeah, I wouldn't dare either. Just drop it. Did he take it?
Yeah, he's right here.
On a bus full of high school kids. Kind of out of control. Especially. Some music.
I don't know.
Hearst Castle right now. Taking the tour.
5-mile driveway.
Here's the view.
Straightened out. We paved it. Make it a little easier for the buses to get up and down.
Oh, there's
Lovely deep water port.
Look at that castle.
Very rare along the California coast.
huge.
Way back in the hills, springs with just gush water. And a mountain
Those
top
people
right
take
here in
pictures.
between the bay and the springs. Natural springs. Yeah.
See the statue on top of that?
Oh yeah. Oh, zoom in on him.
Beautiful built.
We're gonna head over to the famous Neptune pool right now. I know what you guys are thinking. Hey Neil, have you ever heard of sunscreen? Yes, I have. It caught me off guard. Okay, I was walking around.
It's cold and windy.
It's cold and
Didn't
windy.
realize the sun was beating on him.
We walked around for like 10 hours. Okay. Yes, I've heard of it. I'm just stupid. All right. All right. Here's the pool. Merman?
Mermaids and a goddess of love. Nice little grouping. Don't miss it.
Wow. What a baby. Wait, sit down.
This is Neptune's pool.
Awesome.
Look over there where the statues are. There's Merman and the goddess of love.
Oh yeah.
Showing her boobies.
In plaster, these ceilings were later made in the 1920s for Mr. Hearst of cast plaster covered with gold. Okay, watch where you walk, make sure.
None of that.
So we're in the inside pool, just underneath the tennis courts of the Hearst Castle. Look at this thing. We'll start over here. It's pretty cool.